Hi guys, it is Jeffrey Arnie Jufer, and today we will be playing Hello Neighbor. Okay, let's get to Hello Neighbor. Okay, just like that. We're going to be doing Act 3. Okay. Okay, so he's moving. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's a glitch. Wait, how's the apple back in the fridge? That's strange. He's leaving. Oh, whoa! That was a weird glitch. Okay, we're moving back. Moving back. First, I want to explore the neighbor's house. Okay, let's go. Alright. Shadow Man! He's getting like... If you're scared, why? This is our old house. Oh, that's me. Now, is this a window? Oh, well. Okay. Act 3. Whoa. What the? Wait. Where the heck am I? What the heck? Okay, we can do this. Okay, now I got it. Okay. So we will go get this. Then I need 2 boxes. So, whoa. That was so strange. Okay, We actually don't need this apple. This is actually for something else. I just needed to pick it up. You can just go over here and like turn it on. Oh, whoa. That was so scary. That was so scary. That's so scary. Okay, now we go inside. Okay. What the heck? Alright, so pick up this. Pick up that. We're gonna throw this at him if we see him. Okay, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this, okay? Oh, we don't see him yet, we don't see him yet. Let's get this piece, okay? Go up here. And then jump over here. Okay, we got it now. And throw it up there. What? You're supposed to throw it up there. There you go. Then that opens. But first we need to go over here. Okay, good. Now shut the door. Okay. Alright. Now run and jump. Oh, that was so close. We can do it one more time. That's not best guess. Okay, get this vase. Okay. He's using the bathroom. Yeah, let's go up here. Okay. Yeah, I forgot this. Okay. Alright. Now we open this, we open that. Okay, alright. So. I like it. Okay. Whoa. I forgot there's. Wait, what if there's like. Door. Yeah. Whoa, no. Yes. Whoa. What the heck? Okay. Oh, no. Alright. Okay. Oh, why am I glitching? Okay. That was a weird glitch under the stairs. Oh, he's outside. Outside. We gotta go. I'm cooked. I'm done. He's gonna find me, no matter what. Okay, run. Okay, go. Alright. Yes, okay. Get that. Okay. Now you throw that at that. Now you pick up this chair. And do that. Then turn this off. Okay. Alright. Okay, we can go. Alright, let's pick it up. Alright. Oh. Pick it up. Alright. Now we do this. Alright, we got this. Since we got that, we can pick up this chair. Okay. This magnet gun is actually really important. He just broke his own window. Okay, 1, no, 2. Go. Okay. Barricade the door. Barricade it. How the heck? That was the most craziest thing ever. I'm throwing this at you next when I see you. So we're gonna get all the keys in this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. So that key. Okay, so we go over here. The key is all the way up here. grab the shoe. Okay. Throw it at the right side. This. Okay. Now you go over here, and now it will be open. Okay. But we have to get upstairs for that. So we will go over here. And go keep it at our house. Okay. We'll put it right on the table. Now. Okay. Alright. So there's a key card in the fridge, right? Alright. So I throw that up. Okay, now we go up. Okay. Now this is the trick, okay? We have to go over here. Jump on this. Go over here. Before we go in there, we have to go over here. No, wait. We have to jump over here. That's fine. But not yet. Okay. Open this. Now push that. You need that. That will open the train. But the only way out is going down here. So. And we die. So now, the train is now up there, and now we can go to the train. Now we can go upstairs. That was so scary. And that's how you unlock the train today. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow or later today. Alright? Okay. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.